In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay sales tax in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking for a refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's start by opening up QuickBooks Online. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left panel. This is your main navigation area full of options to help you manage your business finances. What we're interested in today is the Taxes section, so go ahead and click on Taxes from the left panel. This is where QuickBooks keeps all your tax-related information in one place, which makes handling your taxes much more straightforward. After you've clicked on Taxes, you'll want to head over to the Sales Taxes tab. If this is your first time dealing with sales tax in QuickBooks, the system might prompt you to undergo a setup process first. This process ensures that everything is tailored to your business, like your tax rates and reporting requirements, so don't stress if you have to complete this setup. Just follow the instructions that QuickBooks provides, and soon enough, you'll be ready to move ahead. Now that you're in the Sales Taxes section, you'll see a list of the sales taxes you need to manage. Find the sales tax that you've paid and look for an option labeled Review Sales Tax. Click on Review Sales Tax, which will take you to a page displaying all relevant details for that specific tax. Once you've reviewed the details and confirmed everything is correct, you'll want to record your tax payment. You can do this by clicking on the button that says Record Payment. Alternatively, if your payment involved an adjustment or a prepayment, you'll need to click on Add an Adjustment and/or Prepayment. This ensures that all the financial nuances are accurately reflected in your records. Next, you'll enter the details of the payment. This includes important information like the payment amount, the date of the payment, and any applicable notes or references you might have. Filling in these details accurately is crucial for maintaining precise financial records, so take your time here. Once all the necessary information is entered, click Add. And there you have it, all done. With these simple steps, you've successfully paid and recorded your sales tax in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your tax records up to date not only helps with compliance, but also gives you clearer insight into your business's financial health. Remember, managing taxes doesn't have to be overwhelming. By using tools like QuickBooks, you can make the process seamless and save valuable time. If you have any questions or need further clarity on any of the steps, feel free to leave a comment and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.